Welcome to another Televox tutorial video about our web solutions powered by iApps. In our previous videos about Content Manager, we reviewed the basics of web publishing. In this video, we're going to build on that and look at adding images, creating photo galleries, and more. All Televox websites are launched with great content, but did you know you can enhance that content with rich media, including images, photo galleries, videos, and more? In this video, we'll look at the easy tools in iApps to manage all of these rich media assets. We'll look at adding shared Televox images, adding your personal, practice, or staff images, managing homepage banners, adding photo slideshows, and creating YouTube videos. With that, let's go ahead and get started. To begin, I'm going to go ahead and log into iApps by using my website URL followed by a /admin, which brings me to the iApps admin login screen. I will put in my username and password, select Content Manager, and log in. Once logged in, I'm brought here, my iApps dashboard. Let's begin by talking about the two different ways we can get images onto our website. The first scenario here would be that you have an image. Perhaps you took a picture from your camera or mobile device and would like to add that image onto your web page. To do this, let's start off by navigating to our image library. From here, we can select the folder we would like to add the image into, or we can create a new folder, perhaps in this scenario, titled Staff Members. Great. Now, all we have to do is select Add New, and then we can choose one or multiple images. For this example, I will add one staff member, and I will now browse for the image on my local PC. We'll add a title and save. Great. Our staff member is now added onto our website in the image library. From here, we would be able to place this image onto any one of our web pages. As a reminder, if you'd like to resize your images, we recommend free tools like Paint or Microsoft Picture Manager. The next type of image you may want to add is a shared image from Televox's shared library. These images are professionally taken and are yours free to use on your website. To view and upload these shared professional images, simply select the Import Asset button and choose the image you'd like to upload. From there, we can use any image to upload, check them off, and import them into our site. Once imported, we can now use these images on any one of our web pages. Great. You know, your website homepage is where you can prominently display banner images, the most visible images on your website. So why don't we take a look at how to manage your homepage banner. To begin, let's check out the banner I'm speaking about by navigating to Site Editor and our homepage. As you can see, I have many different banner images. These are all being pulled in from the Content Library Slide Photo folder. And I know that because if I edit the widget properties, I see the Slider Photos folder is where I'm looking for all these different slider images. This also means that in order to add a new banner, I must first add that banner to my image library and then create the banner content in my Content Library folder, Slider Photos. So let's head back over to my image library and add a new banner. I'll do this and we'll head to our image library. So I've already shown you how to add images into your image library. And what I've already done is I added in a new banner image into this folder here. It's very important to add a banner image using the proper size dimensions. If you don't know what size image you're supposed to use, please watch the video titled Content Manager Managing All of Your Digital Assets, Content Files, and Images. Now that my banner is already in my image library, let's head over to the Content Library to create a new banner. I'll get to the Content Library by navigating to my dashboard and selecting Content Items. As I saw earlier, I'm looking into the Slider Photos folder for my images in my homepage banner. Let's create a new Slider photo. To do this, I'm going to click Add New. I will call this Slider 5. I'm going to change my content type to Slider Item. I will title this Add an Image, and my image is going to be that banner I've already uploaded. Add some content, and I can click Save. Awesome. That should be everything I need to do to add a new banner image to my website. So let's go back to my homepage and check it out. Terrific. There's the banner image that I just created. Next, let's discuss how we can add a photo slideshow on an internal page. For this example, I'm going to navigate to a generic internal page, such as About the Doctor. Once on this page, as I scroll down, I see Insert Widget. So I'm going to go ahead and select a widget. And I'm going to create a slideshow for this example by clicking Select Widget. Next, we must edit our widget properties. Very similar to the way our home banner looks into the content library for banners, our slideshow will be looking into the content library for slideshow images. So here, I have the option to choose from a shared slideshow folder by clicking Edit Widget Properties, and I could choose from a shared slideshow folder from my Televox with the professional Televox images, or as I scroll down, I could choose one of my own content library folders. And for this example, I'm going to use the folder Slideshow and click Save. Now let's just go ahead and publish my page. Great, here's my slideshow. Now let me show you how to add a new image into this slideshow. First, what we're going to do is navigate back to the image library by navigating to our iApps content dashboard and then clicking on Images. In the slideshow folder, I'm going to go ahead and add a fourth slideshow image. Browse my PC for the image, name the image, and click Save. Next, we have to head to the content library, and in my folder called Slideshow, I will add a piece of photo item content. So let's go to our dashboard and now our content library. As mentioned, I will head to our Slideshow folder, and I'm going to add another piece of content called Photo Item by clicking Add New, making Slide 4, and changing this to Photo Item. Let's choose our photo. And you could choose the same exact photo for the thumbnail. It will automatically resize. Add a caption, and click Save. Great. Let's head back to our website in Site Editor to view our changes. I'll jump to my home page, and let's head back to that About the Doctor page. As I scroll down on this page, now we see that fourth slide added. Awesome. Finally, let's take a look at how we could add YouTube videos to our website. I'm going to go back to my home page now. And as I scroll down, I see Insert Content Definition. If I click here, I have the ability to create a new content definition. I'm going to create this using the content type of YouTube video. From here, all I have to do is put in my video ID. What that is, the last set of characters following the URL. Simply copy this and paste it. Click Save, and because this is brand new content, store it into your content library. And now let's not forget to publish our page. Awesome, there it is. So with that, are you ready to start managing your website and online presence today? If so, please go to www.televox.com/iapps/support to get started. Now, if you still need to sign up for your Televox website powered by iApps, please go to www.televox.com/iapps/site survey.